Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to ASUS ROG Phone 60. First of all, just open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and receive next to Send at the bottom of ASUS. Also on ASUS, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. You can finally decide which files you wish to transfer. In order to do that, use categories located at the top. To pick multiple files at once, tap on those dots at the top left corners. You can also just click on the chosen files. I will go with this one picture. Whatever you do, when you are finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, select scanning icon next to input key on ASUS. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive button. As you can see after that, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!